Have you ever overbooked equipment or forgotten to deliver an important item to an event? This video will demonstrate how EventPro's resource management module helps you avoid those awkward situations. Setup Resource Organization begins in EventPro Setup. This is where you'll create your master list of available items. Setup resources typically include items like tables, chairs, decorations, linens, tableware, audiovisual equipment, and so on. You can enter default details like prices, quantities, times, and more. For example, some items may come from external suppliers, and some items may be limited to certain locations. Now, let's see how we assign those setup resources to events. We'll go to EventPro's event screen, click on the event's booked location, and go to the Setup tab. You can add one resource item at a time, or use the multi-add function to add several items at once. When you add the setup item to the event, you'll see that all the default information from setup is pulled in. No need to type everything again or copy-paste, or use other error-prone data entry methods. Plus, you still have the flexibility to edit the item at the event level. If you set a quantity on the item in setup, EventPro's built-in conflict checking on quantified items will look across all bookings and display conflict warnings to prevent accidental double bookings or shortages. You can print a report like the event setup sheet for one event, or for an entire date range if you want an overview of all setup items used over several events. What if you know that your prices, taxes, or quantities are going to change next year? How do you make sure the right pricing details are used at the right time? EventPro Setup has an especially convenient feature to handle that: effective dates. In Setup, you can create an effective date for a specified future date when a certain set of charges, costs, availability, and taxes will come into effect. For example, in our sample 2026 effective date, the projector package price is $150. In the 2027 effective date, it goes up to $160. Now, when you book events, EventPro will apply the correct price for the effective date that the event occurs in. If the event occurs in 2026, EventPro will apply the default 2026 price. If the event occurs in 2027, EventPro will apply the default 2027 price. It's that easy and convenient. That was just a quick overview of EventPro's setup resource management. Please reach out to our solutions team for a more detailed demonstration of EventPro software's many features.